In this question, we're comparing Selenium 3 and the latest version, Selenium 4, a topic that interviewers often ask to assess how updated you are with the tool. Let's begin with the main architectural change. Selenium 4 is fully W3 WebDriver compliant. In simple terms, this means Selenium WebDriver now communicates directly with modern browsers using the standardized W3C protocol. In Selenium 3, the WebDriver API was only partially W3S compliant, so it had to translate requests, causing extra overhead and some inconsistencies in behavior across browsers. With Selenium 4, this layer of translation is eliminated, resulting in faster and more stable test execution. Next, a very handy feature added in Selenium 4 is relative locators. These allow you to locate elements based on their position relative to other elements. For example, you can now say, "Find the button to the right of the input field." This wasn't possible with earlier versions and makes test scripts more readable and maintainable. Selenium 4 also introduces a refreshed UI for Selenium Grid, with built-in support for Docker and distributed test execution. The new grid is easier to set up and offers better scalability and monitoring, which is great for teams running tests in parallel or across environments. Another enhancement is the integration of Chrome DevTools protocol, CDP.01. Selenium 4 now allows direct access to the browser's internals, enabling capabilities like capturing performance metrics, network logs, geolocation mocking, and much more, all within your test scripts. One more subtle but important improvement is that the wait and timeout strategies in Selenium 4 have been made more consistent across different languages and drivers, improving reliability across test cases. Lastly, although the Java IP has some slight syntax changes and deprecations, migrating from Selenium 3 to Selenium 4 is quite smooth overall. So, in summary, Selenium 4 uses a more stable W3ASIC compliant protocol. It adds powerful new features like relative locators and DevTools support. And it modernizes Selenium Grid for better test distribution. These upgrades make Selenium 4 more robust, developer-friendly, and future-ready compared to Selenium 3 GUI. Locating web elements